Welcome back to my channel, guys. And in today's video I'll be making some breadfruit and saltfish Accra. We're gonna start by boiling and mashing our breadfruit. Next we're gonna start with our assembly, which is our fresh herbs. I have onion, garlic, bell peppers. I also have seasoning peppers and some scallion. And we also have some saltfish that we prepared earlier. We're just gonna have the flakes in our Accra. And of course we have our mashed breadfruit. And we start with some flour. Next we go in with our mashed breadfruit, followed by the flakes of our saltfish. Next we go in with those fresh herbs and we add that together with some baking powder. I'll also be going in with an egg. I added some curry powder. I also added some pepper sauce. And we're going to add some water to this and mix this together until we have the right consistency. We then scoop spoonfuls into hot oil and we fry until they are golden brown. Now I also made some tamarind chutney. Specifically for this recipe, I use that as my dip. And this is how my breadfruit and saltfish Accra or fritters came out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.